You are watching Shayna-Renee.
And I'm back again with another video, episode 2 of a series that I'm changing the name, but I don't know what to yet. Instead of me not making content, I'm just gonna make content and then we're just gonna figure out a name as we go. You're not here for the name, you're here for the content. So let's get started into styling this outfit. I'm not gonna hold you. This week was very hard to figure out an outfit because my hair was not done.
Yikes.
I know, right? Ugh. I woke up, thought my hair was gonna look cute. As you know, as a natural hair girly, your hair could look really nice, but the roots inside, it was not doing what it needed to be done. This week in episode 2, we are wearing something that is still chill and comfortable. These are Rita Auras. Bigger than my size, so it's going to be baggy. We're going for a baggy moment in a neutral color because it's going to be easy to style when you don't know what to wear. Love the baggy look of it. I'm going for dressed down at the bottom and the top semi-casual, a little dressed up but not doing too much. Still very fun and playful. On the makeup on this, I already told you I wore it before. This is the white shirt I'm going to go with. Of course, like I said, I wanted it to be more fun, a little serious, but not too much. So I went with this type of button-up shirt. I feel like the sleeves make it look fun because it's boxy and it doesn't give like super like, oh, I'm in the business world, look at me, I'm being conservative. Like, it just looks cute and fun. So y'all see what I'm talking about? It's giving a nice, cool, playful vibe, nothing too serious. The way the sleeves are on the shoulders, I feel like this shirt gives it such a fun vibe. And actually, this is not even a part of it, but let me just see what it looks like if I throw on some Tim's. Hold on. Yeah, eat just like this. This would be such a cute little chill vibe. This is not what we're here for, but let's move on to what we actually here for. In my head, I wanted to wear a tie and I wanted to wear like a fun, funky color, which I didn't have. And I'm like, you know what? Let's see if I can make this scarf into a tie. Y'all see this? Y'all see what I did here? Looking fly. Love to see it. Love to see it. We see how fun this outfit looks now with this tie. It still gives a sophisticated look, but also gives it, oh, like, that's fun. I'm like, okay, let's take this purple color and let's play with it. I wanted to play a little bit with the outfit, so I decided to go with a colorful sneaker instead of more of a chill vibe with the loafers. So let's try with the loafers. Even with this loafer, it looks fly just like this. And this outfit is already elevated a little more. This right here is a cute combination just to elevate the outfit just a little more. But this is not what I wore, so let's keep it moving. I told y'all about the color. I just wanted it to be a little vibrant. So I'm like, okay, let's take this purple color and let's play with it for the footwear. I thought I had the perfect purple sneakers for it, but I didn't. It's another color purple, but it still works and it still matches. So I'm gonna show y'all that. I feel like the pop of color looks really good in the sneakers. And it is lighter purple at the bottom. You can't really tell, but it is okay. I feel like you get the point when you get the purple and you see that in there. Honestly, I could have been done here, but there was another thing missing. I'm like, I'm a little extra. Let me layer, let me add a little something, a little razzle dazzle. So I'm gonna razzle dazzle. This is the next piece I decided to add. It's not necessary, but I felt like this piece being added would look really cute to the outfit. I know most of you probably are thinking like it doesn't match anywhere with the outfit. No, but yes. Just wait till I throw this on. It gives like the funness, but also the classic chill vibe of classiness that I was talking about. So I feel like this looks super cute, if I do say so myself. And I really like it, and I think it adds to the outfit. I was going back and forth if I wanted to have it open or closed because open gives it more of a relaxed, chill vibe. But remember I said the top side, I want it to be fun, but still a little bit more pulled up than the bottom. And it looks cute like this. The only thing that I did not like was the tie was hidden. I'm not going to hold you. It looks better inside, but I'm like, free the tie. Free the tie. I wanted it to show. Here, this is cute, and I wanted to accessorize. I wanted to go with silver, not gold. So let's exchange these for something else. Before I forget, I put on the belt to make me look a little taller and longer, not my pants as baggy. I went for these playful earrings, acrylic earrings. I'm going with this pearl necklace The outfit is already elevating up. I wanted to stack a little bit more, so we're gonna stack. Kind of broke, so I wanted to do this. Felt like it was just too many pearls, and I decided to wear it like this. So I have a little bit of silver and I have more of the pearl. I had another one, but I was like, it's doing too much. I just put it on my belt loop and boom. I put stack of bangles on and this pop of purple just to add. The outfit is basically complete except for one thing. My hair looks crazy, so I had to figure that out. So I'm like, you know what, this band honestly doesn't look bad with the outfit. I hate that the black is like bringing down this outfit. This is a leg warmer. Let's switch this out. I know y'all probably like, oh, it doesn't really look bad. No, it is. I have bobby pins in my hair just to hold down this part so it doesn't look as this looks so much better. Now, this is the completed look. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna show y'all what I wore for my outer coat wear. And yeah, but this is it. This is how I decided to judge up my outfit from before. Definitely was going in the direction I wanted to go of, with having more fun up here and then down here really chill. And honestly, this outfit came together like this because my hair was not done. Sometimes you got to be innovative with what you got. Let me know what y'all think about this outfit, and I'm gonna put the little extra clip of my outerwear. Stay tuned for episode 3 coming up next week. I was thinking about wearing these glasses, but I don't know. These glasses elevates the outfit, make it look cute. This is another option to like tie into the look. But back to that extra clip y'all wanted. Here we go. Last looks, last looks. This is the ending of this series. Ooh, not the series. Just the episode. My bad. Let's go back. This is how I decided to wear this outfit. It's exactly what I was going for. You can definitely recreate an outfit just like this. And I hope to see you guys in the comments showing your love and let me know what you guys want to see or what you did like about the outfit. I will see y'all in episode 3. Bye.